New car day on the channel? Let's open us up a NASCAR. Hey, Greg here, Canadian RC guy. Well, it's my birthday, and it's new car day. The wife and kids, they went out and got us the Napa number 9, the Chase Elliott car. You know what? Come on in here. Let's check out this box, and then we can get the car out and see what it's all about. So here's the front panel on the car. Shows you the actual size. I can't wait to get this thing out and turn some laps. Here's one of the top panels. It's got a great picture of the car in action on the track. Flip it around to the back panel. Gives you a great picture there of Chase Elliott. Front picture of his number 9 Napa Auto Parts car. And a little bit of information about him. So over here on the top panel, gives you all the information about the car. Talks about the independent suspension, oil-filled coilover shocks, the tough composite chassis designed to survive the big wreck, it says. I'm sure we'll find out. Comes with a 2S LiPo battery. Says you can run for about 20 minutes. 4-wheel drive. Now I know, 2-wheel drive for real NASCARs, but apparently 4-wheel drive for little NASCARs. But from everything I've seen and heard, they're a ton of fun. And of course, it's got those officially licensed Goodyear Eagle racing slicks. But you know us, we're getting some dirt tires. So on this end panel, it's got the nice NASCAR logo. Tells you to get into the race. Some more information. We're not going to get into that. Then over on this last end panel, just talks about it's ready to run, what it comes included with. Your batteries, your charger, the car, remote, that kind of stuff. Obviously, we'll show you everything once we get it out of the box. So by the looks of it, obviously, we're just sliding this thing right out here. So we'll push her out of the sleeve. Try not to wreck anything here. Well, that's not easy. Get out of there. There we go. Crack one of these ends open. Looks like we're looking for a knife. Screwdriver will do. There we go. Pop this end panel open. See what we've got inside here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful car here. That's one nice piece of artwork, I'd have to say. They do great with those graphics. Let's get the rest of this thing out. See what we got. So there we go. We've got everything out of the package. And man, this car looks great. Feels great. I think it's going to be a ton of fun. So everything else that comes in the package here, they give you a little pamphlet. Talks about all the other bodies that you can get for it. I know they've got Monte Carlo bodies, Lumina bodies, truck bodies, just about everything you can think of. Some more little pamphlets there for you to read. Of course, it comes with a quick start guide. Full manual. Batteries to get you going. The USB-C charger. Of course, a sticker. And then that SL2 controller. They're good little controllers. They've got your steering rate, your steering trim, just the basic. They fit great in your hand. You can use one hand to drive, the other one while you're filming. They work pretty good. So now onto this great little car. Like I said before, the artwork and that kind of stuff on these, they are beautiful. Come with, of course, great little Goodyear Eagle tires. These ones are slicks. I know they've got dirt tires out, and we've got a set on order. I'm pretty sure you can see here, they've got clips for the body. Obviously, it would be great if it was a clipless body. Make it a little bit more realistic out there. But we'll take what we can get. So we'll get this body off. See what's underneath. I'm pretty sure that's where the battery is. Nice and easy. Pops right off. Great little hard shell. So there we have it. There's the chassis underneath. Like I said, batteries right inside. And just like lots of their other cars, It's a 1400 milliamp LiPo 30 cell 7-port 4-volt 2S battery. They're a good little battery. Not a huge fans of the chargers that come with them, but the batteries work pretty darn good. So we're going to get this thing on boil, so that way once we're done talking about this car, we can go outside and turn some laps. We'll bring it in a little bit closer now so we can go over this chassis, the electronics, and everything else. So you'll see over here, you've got that SLTR. It's a receiver transmitter, 25 amp brushed ESC. Of course, all the electronics come from Spectrum. And over here, you'll notice you've got that 28 turn 380 brush motor. A little bit closer look. Goodyear Eagle tires. Nerf bars here on the side. You can see looking from the back inside now. There's the little power switch. And of course, you've got a little fan there to keep everything cool. So here you've got your front bumper and splitter. And then back here is the rear diffuser. Running down the center right here is your center drive shaft. It's got that nice plastic composite on the outside. Should keep everything tucked away. No harm done. So right here, inside your steering servo, it's got all metal gears. Full front and rear independent suspension. This thing should ride like a dream. Oil-filled shocks, front and rear, fully adjustable. So that's the bullet points on this car. We're late to the game. You've seen a million videos on this thing, so we're not going to bore you with any more babble. We want to get out and do some racing. So there we have it. That's our Chase Elliott number 9 Napa NASCAR. I think this thing's going to be a ton of fun. What do you guys think? Do you guys have one? Let us know in the comments. Should we upgrade this thing? Leave it stock? Like I said before, we're definitely going to be switching out these street tires, getting on some dirt tires, because we're going around that dirt oval. But for now, we're going to head back to that church we used before. We're going to get out a bunch of cones set up. Should we do an oval? Do a road race? I'm not sure how we're going to test this thing out. But we're going to go and have some fun and see what this car can do. Well, we made it out to the parking lot. We got that NASCAR. We set up a little track, kind of a Martinsville style track. We're about 12 feet wide, 25 feet long. This should be fun. A few test laps and see how this thing does out. Oh, I think we should have had one of these a long time ago. Things just slide right around the corners. Beautiful. Look at that. A little wide on that one. There we go. Cut right in on her. Kind of roll through the corner and away you go. I definitely think this thing is going to be a ton of fun out there on that dirt track. Sliding around those corners. A little hard on that one. Man, this thing is a blast. Well, after a few laps, it kind of turning and playing with this thing, you can really get some good laps going on with this thing. She needs a little bit more turning, I think. But other than that, I think this car is a blast. Kind of let go on the throttle and going into the corner and kind of hammer it and away you go. Sometimes you lose it, sometimes you don't. Oh, took out our couple cones there. Few laps, we can really start cutting some close corners here. We're sliding right around through there now. Oh, that was a good one, right through those cones. So even just out here, driving this car by itself, if you don't have any cones, it's a ton of fun. Just go outside, go ripping around, and away she goes. Look at that. She's a drift machine. Man, that car was a ton of fun. I can't wait to be able to hit our local dirt track. I bet you we're going to have even more fun. Because you know us, we're not really pavement guys. Should we make this thing a little bit faster? I've seen a few guys do some brushless conversions on this thing. Is that something you want to see on the channel? Let us know down in the comments. So we already ordered up a truck body for this thing. We're going to get that thing all painted up. Is there another body you want to see us do for this? Once again, let us know in the comments. And if you want to get one of your own NASCARs, make sure you head into Echelon Hobbies. We're going to put a picture here. We'll have a link in the description of this video. But Ross will help you out, get you all set up. Come on out and do some racing with us. And do you want to come racing with us on that oval? Of course, we're going to have the information in the description of this video. Find us on Facebook. Join our group. Come on out and turn some laps. So thanks so much. We'll see you again next time.